Installing laminate PVC with hidden fasteners is a great option for an exterior, low-maintenance feature wall. Here's an overview. Install PVC casings with a J-channel to hide cuts at transitions. Then measure the height of the wall to determine layout. Here we'll rip the top board in half to end up with a full-width board at the base. To install, fit the first piece behind the J-channel and install hidden fasteners along the bottom of each board every 16 inches. Guided by the tongue and groove, subsequent pieces butt tight before another set of fasteners are installed. These fasteners by Versatex are metal and install easily with a self-driving screw. In tight areas, slip pieces between J-channels from below to slide into position. Behind J-channels, leave a 1/4 inch gap for expansion at casings. When cutting laminate PVC, cut with the finished side facing away from the blade to avoid tear out. To join boards in the field, cut a bevel or shiplap joint and leave a 1/8 inch gap when installing in cold weather. On the final piece, face nail along the bottom and the feature wall is complete.